welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to remove video background in CapCut without green screen. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your CapCut, and here you have to select any video, or first of all you have to select any background which you want to add into your video. For example, I'm select this background. For example, I'm selecting this background. After that, you have to click on add button at the bottom. After that, now here you have to add your video which you want to remove the background. Now here you have to click on overlay. After that, click on add overlay. Now here you have to select any video. For example, this is my for example here. Now here you have to select any video which you want to remove the background. Click on add. Now here you have to click on cutout. Here you have to click on remove beach. Here you will see an option at the bottom. Click on this remove beach. Now here you have to click on auto remove. Click on this auto remove. Now here you can see background removed, and here you can see this video background has been removed. In this way you can easily remove your any video background without any green screen in CapCut. In this way you can remove your video's background in CapCut without green screen. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.